Mine's good over here. Yeah, mine's good. Bottom's good down here for me. Sounds good.
Then we tape up here. There you go. Where your index finger is. There we go. Now double check, make sure nothing's moved. And then look at your little tiny text up there at the top on the template and all that. Make sure all that is crisp and clean. If that's any blurry, it means we're out just a hair. It is so much easier to move the film in here than it is to move it out there.
Doesn't need to move down there.
Good. All right, so very gently take the top carrier sheet off. Do not take the bottom one off. So just slide your fingers in between, and you'll feel there's two sheets. Leave the bottom one on, push and press through, press the pen through. Here we go. Take it off. And we'll put a new carrier sheet on. And we'll lay that film over there for right now.
We're not taking the bottom off.
Because we're registering every color to that. That's our underbase. Yep. So now we need to put a new carrier sheet. We've got 2 more colors to do. We'll be doing a 6-color sim process. So big peg, big hole.